Hey, what's up, Shiba? So this is just an only urgent update for all Shiba, and what's the prediction, my friends? Can after in upcoming time in the future, can Shiba price will be move up or fails down? So very expert, my friends, send me this prediction. You can see here this time the very expert. You can see here predicate this. So you can see here this time desert news. You can see here desert news, especially the name of this website, my friend. You can see here. So especially he sent me the screenshot. So let's check out, my friends, to what's the predicate is. But kindly before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe this channel for this type more informative videos. Shiba coin already has some predictions. Here's what expert says. What expert says. Alright, so understand to what expert says. Shib coin as another meme based currency drawing of predictions. Alright, so let's check out, my friends, towards that tell us more about this. So wallet investor Shib said Shib is not a good investment for the long term. Yes, exactly, but definitely I already my friends, I already decide to don't I never sell it before 2022. So especially I already invest for a long time, but here there's especially the expert says to Shiba is not a good coin for long-term investors. So let's see to what they think more about this. In fact, all right, understand, my brothers, to in fact what in fact wallet investor predicated that the coin would fail to 0.0029 to 0.0016. Yes, absolutely, this is reality by 2022. This is reality, my brother. Today fails down to 28, my friend, to 28, yes, 29, I think is possible. Yeah, 29 to 16. So it's a very big fail, my friend. You know, this is very big fail. So the main reason is that, all right, too, this is not good for a long time. So if you want to invest, then exactly the short term invest is very good. All right, so digital coin price. All right, let's see. Digital coin price said the price will jump to 0.0014 by the end of 2022. Yes, absolutely, this is possible to the price will jump to 0.0044 USD dollar, but I tell you, my friends, to it's jump more than to 0.0044. So absolutely it's possible today jump more than this, my friends. So let's see, absolutely this is possible to 44 is absolutely very high jump if they take. So absolutely this is good. All right, so Go Capital said SHIB will be support huge drum failing to 0.006 USD dollar. Exactly, my friend, this will be right. And my friends, I just tell you to kindly, if you first of all, the first thing that said, my friends, to especially invest for a short time, like you buy today, so sell at the end of month. Exactly, this will be good. And because you can see here for a long time they cannot move upward, you can see for a long time they will hit just in only in 2022 0.0044 USD dollars. So it's a not a big jump, my friend. It's a not big jump. So kindly hold it, wait for the end of this month and sell it. Definitely they will give you very good profit. So hope you understand, all ship holder. Kindly like this video, subscribe this channel for more this type informative and latest news. Kindly subscribe this channel.